The Council of Higher Secondary Education or CHSE Odisha on Friday informed that results of the Plus 2 examination will be released in the second week of August. The decision was taken based on the recommendations of the expert committee constituted by Odisha government earlier. The expert committee has suggested objective criteria for alternative assessment of the examinees of Annual Higher Secondary Examination 2021. According to the modality suggested by the committee, scores will be awarded to the regular examinees in theory components of papers on basis of the performance of the examinee in the 10th board examination. According to CHSE, a detailed subject mapping has been prepared for this purpose. Apart from this, scores in theory papers for ex-regular examinees will be awarded on the basis of their performance in the previous CHSE examination, which the examinees had appeared earlier. Moreover, scores will be awarded in the practical or project component of a paper both for regular and ex-regular examinees at the higher secondary school level. The council informed that the scores awarded at the higher secondary school level will be scrutinized and moderated. In case an examinee is not satisfied with the result declared on the basis of alternative assessment criteria, he or she can opt to appear the examination in the offline mode later. The offline mode of the examination will be conducted when the situation will be conducive. Bureau Report, OTV News.